Look.
Look at that.
My panda bear. Santa has been here.
Santa's been
Santa has been here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, look at that,
Oh
Sam.
my gosh. Oh, look. It's the thing that I wanted.
Look at
And
that.
my panda bear, he came. And my dinosaur.
Look at that,
Oh,
Sam.
you can switch him too, look. Switch him mine.
Let me feel.
I love my panda bear. Now can I open my present?
No, we have to wait.
Oh.
Nini's gonna come over and we'll all open our presents then.
Oh, okay. Wait, what is that?
No, they're on the bed.
Can I open this?
You want to open your Elite Pad?
Oh, look at this. Whoa, awesome. Holy moly, Santa bring me all of this? And he know that I wanted this panda bear. Yeah, what's this?
It looks like it's a science set. I think maybe that's something for you to use in the bathtub. Maybe some bathtub toys.
I want to play with these. I want to open these.
Okay, we'll open those.
These are the only things that I want for my birthday, and Santa got them for me with a Christmas. He thought I liked them. The trash. Awesome. Oh, they feel like Squeakies.
Oh, cool. Let me see. I haven't seen this before. Let me see. Oh, look at that.
They do feel like Squeakies.
Wow.
I told you. Oh, and look at this.
What is that?
It's mixed up crayon so you can color crayon stuff.
Awesome. Wow.
And
I think that big giant panda bear is pretty cool. Isn't that what you've been talking about forever?
yeah.
Wanting the big giant panda bear
Ew.
one? Oh, I think Nini's here. Go open the door and let her in. You gotta unlock it, baby. Other way. Yeah, that way. You gotta push it really hard. There you go.
Look at my panda bear.
Wow! Am I that late?
No, we just got it.
Like
We
1
just
minute.
got it.
Okay.
Like that. Oh my gosh!
Oh, Sam, look at this! Wow!
This is a wheat pie thing.
Oh, gosh. You must have been really good this year.
He got me a lot of stuff.
He got you a lot of things.
And look at my silly, yucky, gooey.
Oh, those are so cool.
I got some more in here.
Oh, look, he ate his cookie and drank his milk.
Oh.
Clean it
Oh,
up.
oh.
So did
Here we
So did Santa Claus do pretty good, Sam?
what was the
Yeah.
rest of you?
Oh, okay. Oh,
Okay.
stop it. Stop.
No.
Can you look at me and say Merry Christmas?
And what-
Merry Christmas.
Here,
Yeah.